Let's know about different trawl nets. Pelagic trawl net. Funnel-shaped nets. The fish are scooped up and captured in the cord end, that is the trailing end of the net. Bottom trawl net techniques used in deep-sea fishing. The nets can damage underwater habitats such as cold-water coral reefs. Beam trawls, towed along the seabed. This destroys many fauna living in and on the seabed. Long lines, dolphins, sharks, turtles and seabirds become trapped on the hooks. Purse seines. The purse seine stands out for its efficiency in capturing large schools of fish. A purse seine is a large wall of netting deployed around an entire area or school of fish. Netting material should have high specific gravity to increase the sinking speed during setting. Material needs strength for pursuing and hauling large shoals of fish. Twisted knotless netting and Rachel braided netting are popular choices due to their lightweight nature. These materials allow the net to sink quickly and reduce the bulkiness of the net, making handling easier. Despite the initial appeal of knotless netting, knotted webbing has emerged as the preferred choice. One significant factor driving this preference is the difficulty in repairing knotless webbing when damaged. Unlike knotted, no individual knot replacement leads to impede fishing activities. Purse seines use thin, knotless materials for less bulk and improved ability to move around. Reduced bulk allows easier handling and better efficiency. Nylon, in particular, is widely used due to its high breaking strength and durability, making it ideal. Excellent elastic properties. High specific gravity. Low resistance against current. Good water shading capacity.